Bitcoin, time to tidy this chart up a little bit. It's a little bit messy and I can't really see my lines properly. So I'm going to delete these price targets that I put before because they've pretty much all been hit. And yeah, let's zoom out. I mean, look, this for me is still bullish, and I'm still very bullish at this point. If you follow the news, and I don't really, apparently, the Federal Reserve in the US are going to stop QT, quantitative tightening, and that's a great thing. That's what we've been waiting for. I've been saying for a long time, we need liquidity, and that's what drives these markets. It's the whole supply and demand principle. And I'm going to make separate videos about this. I'm creating another channel where I teach people how to invest safely in Bitcoin. And yeah, I want to be talking about more macro stuff. So if we look at USM2, for example, back here, I mean, this just, they printed money like crazy. And so from there to there was a good, 40%. The money supply grew by 40%. And that is pretty insane in just like a year, not even that. And if we look at, what's been happening since that peak, how long's it been? What, a couple of years, 3, 4 years? The money supply went down and it's slowly starting to grow. And even in that time, Bitcoin has grown. So Bitcoin has grown during a period of quantitative tightening. And now it looks like the money printers are going to come on. So that's my main macro reason for being bullish. Because as the money supply grows, it's just supply and demand. Bitcoin's fixed in supply, demand goes up, price goes up. It's pretty simple, and I've been saying the same things for almost 10 years now. So zooming out onto this chart, we're just smashing up against this trend line. So as we have more data, we can safely delete this trend line here because it's, it just keeps getting broken. So this one is more of the realistic one, and we could, bring this down a bit, but I'm just going to leave it there. And so we are on this channel still. This one over here, I'm going to delete these because for me, there were more anomalies because of the whole crash, flash crash. So I'm just going to leave it like that. And yeah, it's looking good, people. It is looking good. This double bottom could still play out. In terms of Bitcoin dominance, we're still in this rising compression. So I'm waiting for this to fall. Tau had a bit of a spike down, but that's a nice low test candle, so that is bullish. So yeah, for me, things are still bullish. There's not really much else to report except to, just give it more time. I'll see you all in the next update.